I scared the shit out of you. Oh man, I wish I could have seen that shit. Oh.